Oy, hello guys. So today we're gonna play Geometry Dash. Tot! Tot tot! Tot! Tot tot! Tot tot! Tot tot! Tot! Tot tot! Tut tut. Tut. Tut tut. No. Tut. Tut. Tut tut. Tut. Tut tut. Tut. Tut tut tut.
Jump to the orb.
The orb. Toot! Toot toot! Look.
Let's upload the app.
Ah,
What
if you upload it, don't you dare.
Hey Sigma girl, I will call you Sigma.
Ew! You're so skibbity.
Don't call me Skibby Boy.
You're a skibbity boy.
I don't call you. You're a payang.
Yes!
Now, you ready? Spase Pirates. Spase Pirates. This game is too hard. It's like, let go!
Let it go! Let it go! Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go! Let it go!
Wait!
Let it go! Let it go! Can't hold it back anymore! Let it go!
What should we post in there?
Turn the way you slam the door!
A jump scare.
I don't care what they're going to say. Let the story jump. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Basi, look. Let it go. Let it go. It gets louder when it's harder. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. There's a way you stop the door. Ah!
Haha.
Let it go. Let it go.
One more time to beat Striker.
Can't hold it back anymore.
You can beat Embers after Strikers.
Let it go.
Guys.
Let it go.
Guys,
Yeah.
guys, wait lang. Ano ka ba?
Tao.
You laugh. 7 na 7. Tatorte.
Let it go. Let it go.
Tatorte.
Wait lang guys, ano ka? Tao, malamang.
Hey. Stop.
Say guys, ano ka?
Guys, ano ka? Baba?
Tao, malamang. Alangan namang alien.
Anong alien ka?
Taong alien. Ow.
Bakit ka gumagalayan? Anong nilalaro mo? Potyo. Aha, loser ka. Potyo.
Di mo nga tamabit eh.
Hahaha, loser.
Di mo nga tamabit eh.
Ah! Pipiti pa tapo dorte. Guys. Live action!
Let go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Pam pam.
Marcos, it's PE tomorrow.
Tutorto. Tut.
Ay, nako! stupid.
Because it's
You stupid.
stupid eh.
How dare you? That's my favorite flower. Didn't you want to tell you? It is illegal to pluck flowers from my garden. Stupid. How dare you? That is my favorite flower. Basi, you will say, how dare you? That's my favorite flower.
How dare you? It's not my favorite flower.
Didn't you want to tell you? It is illegal to pluck flowers from my garden. Stupid.
The boy looked confused. What?
Get out here, more.
Moron girl lore. Until attempt 56. Any morning at night in 186.
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aamin? Guys, ang ano namin sa math, topic sa math, pesos and centavos.
Sigurado ka?
Ay, malamang! Ay!
87, sana all.
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Ew! You're so live!
So that's you.
Guys, unsubscribe.
Not.
You put his saliva on me.
What saliva?
Laway.
Stop calling me saliva.
Laway man, uy.
Si Maloy-loy. Nakotok si Maloy-loy to.
I speak a little Bisaya.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Maloy-loy!
Naiyak man si Liam. Uy.
Ano, bakit naiyak?
Hindi ko alam. Ako ba si Liam?
Iya, huwag kang umiyak.
Girl, stop screaming in my ear.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako si Teacher Maya.
Ay.
Ano ka ba? Lagulapi? Ano ang parirala? Legit Dabarkan!
Let it go.
Loot
Let
at
it go.
looted go.
Ay, pagka-burgs na mo.
Pangit. Si Stacy, ano? Pangit.
I'll kill you. How
Bak-
dare you?
Not you, it's not that live action. It's live action, start! Si Stacy, ano? Pangit. Bakit si Stacy pangit? Bawal yung magsabi ng pangit.
Kasi kung sino may sabi na pangit, pangit sila.
And we're gonna write that geometry that's funny moment.
Yeah! With Ate Fea.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Nagdi-geometry dash, malamang, hindi ba obvious?
Abuse eh!
Okay, so guys, PE kami bukas!
Wag! Hindi tayo PE bukas! Bukas ay Huwebes!
Hindi! Ay, ante! Wednesday bukas talaga!
Bakit? Anak, tumulog ka na!
Di mo ko anak.
Anak, tumulog ka na!
Di mo ko anak.
Tumulog ka na, anak!
Hindi mo nga ako anak!
Sabi ko, tumulog ka na, anak!
So
Tumulog
guys,
ka na, anak!
maglaro tayo ng Geometry Dash and
Ayoko.
saying stories.
Ayoko.
So guys, kanina naman ay inaano ako ng kaklase ko, hindi
Ano
ko
yung
alam.
kayong kaklase?
Anoy. Ah!
Ay, naku! Si Zarain ito. Next, perfect score.
Naka 15 out of 15 ako. Oh, daig ka.
Daig! Daig si Ate Peya.
Guys, i-comment nyo kung kung anong grade na kayo. Tingnan kung may kaparehas ka.
Only Ate Peya. Only 14.
Hey!
Only just 14 when
Okay.
you reach 14.
Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula na makita ka, mawala ng pangangaba, pag ikay kapiling na
Huy! Bawal kayo magsabi ng pan-tropico.
tropical islands.
Tropico!
As Island Gamburger.
ka!
Hindi ko talaga mabite.
Ano? Bakit?
Ano ba yun ang darama? Oh shucks, ito ba yun pa? Oh shucks, ito ba yun pag-ibig na? Ito ba pinagdama? Boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula makita ka, mawawala ng pangangaba, pag ikay ka-feeling na. Mawawala ng pangangaba, pag ikay ka-feeling na. Ay, nabit ka!
Ano? Hindi.
Nagsasayday ako kay Marps.
Anong side eye? Bawal mag-side eye.
Ayan ka na naman! Sige, ibawalin mo na lang.
Bawal!
Kahit wag ka na din huminga.
Ayan, attempt 31 ka na. Namamatay ka palagi.
Guys, ay attempt 1 ako sa iba. Yung mga ano nga ba yun? Yung sa white ba yun? Hindi ko lang na-record. So, this is officially my new channel. Channel ka na to.
Pangit ka na. Yan, channel mo na yan.
I was trying to look like you.
Sige, channel mo na yan. Kung gusto mo, wag mo i-upload.
Sige, akin na to. Channel ka na to. Channel ka na to. Hindi, channel ko to.
Reyes!
Hindi, channel ko na to.
Bawal nga, Andrea.
Hahaha, channel ko na
Police!
to.
Hello, police!
Ande, di mo mabibiro. Aman! Naka 37 na ako. O, attempt 1.
Attempt 1 version.
Oh. Okay. Bye-bye, guys! Si Marcos na lang maglalaro.